I'm the fastest dasher alive. How fast, you ask? Speed is the name of the game. The faster you are, the more orders you're gonna be able to get done. Look at this order we just got right here. 650 for 3.7 miles. I'm about to get that thing done so fast, you ain't finna know what happened. Well, it's finally here, guys. The death of cherry picking. The days are gone when you can just cherry pick on DoorDash. Now you finna have to multi-app for sure, because I was wrong. Diamond Zone that came and took over everything, and now if you don't take a certain amount of orders and keep your acceptance rate high, you ain't getting shit. So you better watch out. I'm running Grubhub and Uber right now, and I just got accepted for Walmart Spark, so DoorDash got me messed up. I ain't taking no trash. I only want the creams of the crop. Large order program and 3-to-1 miles to money ratio. You can kiss my ass, DoorDash. Look at that. Bow. Stop playing with me. Fastest dasher alive. Make sure you always be safe out there. Follow the speed limit. Wear your seatbelt. I'm the fastest dasher alive. Look at that. You ain't never seen nobody make 950 that fast. Stop playing with me. Fastest dasher alive. Next order of the day, we got 750 for 4 miles of Slim Chickens. Look at that. Man, this is the best it's gonna get. DoorDash is sucking now, man. Since these diamonds came to my area, I thought it was good, but it's bad. So you got a multi-app. I got Grubhub, I got Uber. I ain't worried about it. Make sure you get you some more apps. Don't be stuck out here with one app. DoorDash will manipulate you. Do not let them control you. So here's the thing. DoorDash is changing. And we all know DoorDash manipulates you. You know, they do their own thing. They switch it. It's one way this day. The next day it's another way. Do what works for you. Make your money. Last week, DoorDash was working for me. This week, not so much. So you know what? I'm changing it up. I done did a few DoorDash orders today. I did a few Grubhubs. And I got an Uber Eats order done under my belt. So I'm doing what works for me. I'm still making the same money I was making last week. I'm making it a different way, but I'm still making it. Let's get these Slim Chickens dropped off. I did my top dasher thing. Now I'm back to cherry picking. Boop. That's how it's done. Make your money. Don't let the money make you. And DoorDash will definitely try to control you. But me, I'm not having it no more. I'm back to extreme cherry picking. I might not even go for top dasher again, to be honest with you. But we'll see. Huh? It went to 850. Not bad. DoorDash will try to control you. You know what I'm saying? They will straight up try to control you. Like, I'm not doing that no tip, no trip, top dash crap. Look at this. 325, 4.8 miles. No tip, no trip. You know, I'm not having it. Order too small, distance too far, whatever I gotta tell them. Look, I am a business. I'm out here to make money. I'm not out here to deliver for free. I'm not out here to deliver to miserable people. And yes, I said it. You know, if you out there ordering food and you can't tip, that's on you. I'm sorry to tell you, like, I'm not delivering you no food for free. Look, they're gonna Uber Eats right there. That's a Walgreens order, but the thing is, the Uber Plus card, it be acting up. I ain't got time for none of that. Shop and pay, no sir. My time is valuable. You know what I'm saying? So DoorDash try to get you in the employee mindset by going for top dasher and shit, and then they introduce a diamond program and really take away all the perks of being top dasher. So, you know, it was nice while it lasted, but I'm back to dirty multi-app and looking at me. Look, I got DoorDash going there. I got Uber and Grubhub going there. And guess what? I just got signed up for Spark, so we about to have some more Spark content. We about to have some new content coming for Walmart Spark. So like I said, if you want to make more money, maximize with gig apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and coming soon Walmart Spark, make sure you stay tuned and hit that like and subscribe button, because I got you. DoorDash? Man, I don't work for no motherfucking DoorDash. Look at this. Look at that. You see that? 1254. What's that? 5 miles, man? Come on, let's get it done. Stop playing with me. Show y'all how to get this money right here. Go ahead and drop that delivery off, and you keep it moving just like that. Fastest dasher alive. Stop playing with me.